Hello everyone. If you want to improve your battery life on Telegram, here's how to do that. So first of all, open up your Telegram. After that, make sure to tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Now let's press settings. So here, first of all, locate your battery saving. Here you can adjust when your battery saving or power saving mode will be turned on. So simply drag the scale. So you can set it even on always enabled, only up to, for example, 20%. Here you can choose what it's gonna do. Animated stickers, so turn on or turn off, animated emojis, animations in chats, animation in calls, autoplay videos, autoplay GIFs, and enable smooth transitions. Okay, so all of this adjustable, you can turn it on, you can turn it back off, do it up to your agreeing with yourself, of course. Let's go back and let's talk about other things which are consuming a lot of power, such as videos and media in general. So let's press data and storage. Here you gotta choose how the automatic media download is gonna work. For example, I recommend to leave it only when connected to Wi-Fi because mobile data uses more of your power anyways. So I recommend it to leave well connected to Wi-Fi. Now you can choose how it's gonna be streaming. When possible, Telegram will play music and videos right away. Let's turn it off because this consumes a lot of our battery. And here you can see your storage usage and your data usage. Basically, that's it. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.